Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay. Now, from today, I will teach you science subject. Okay. I am Mrs. Vipula, ma'am from YPS Malkapur. And today we will start here science subject lesson number 1. Which is our lesson number 1? Living world adaptation and classification. Living world adaptation and classification. In the 6th standard we already discussed some points. Okay, what are living things, non living things. So in that lesson we will study about the adaptation different region. For example, desert, forest, then snowy region. Understand? Okay. So if you have the textbooks, take out page number 1. Take out page number 1. If you don't have the textbook, what you have to do? Listen carefully with concentration. Understand? So we will start our lesson, living world adaptation and classification. पेज नंबर 1. नाउ लेट्स रिकॉल आपने जो 6 स्टैंडर्ड में अभी पढ़ा है एक बार वो. इन व्हाट डिफरेंट वेज इन डाइवर्सिटी इन द लिविंग थिंग्स सीन. व्हाट इज मीन बाय डाइवर्सिटी? विविधता, है ना. हम वर्ल्ड में ऑल आर ओनली प्लांट्स? नो. देयर इज ओनली एनिमल्स आर देयर? नो. ओनली ह्यूमन बीइंग इज देयर? नो. Some living things, non-living things, plants are there, animals are there, birds are there. So we can discuss in different ways. So classification and adaptation is very important. A great variety of plant is found on the earth. Some plants have colorful flowers. Some plants grow in water, whereas some are able to found in desert which have a scarcity of water. Some having big flower. You know sunflower? Some having very small jasmine flower. Some having colorful petals. Some having white color flower. Okay. Some needs more and more water. Some flowers and some plants there is no need of water. So that is the diversity. Some plants are found only in snowy region. Some plants are found only in snowy region. You know ice falling कश्मीर में अगर आप देखते हैं ना, snowy region. They are having the different plants. हमारे एरिया में जो प्लांट्स है वो वहाँ पे दिखेंगे कि हमको? नो, बिकॉज स्नोवी रीजन वहाँ का एटमॉस्फियर, वहाँ का क्लाइमेट, वेदर डिफरेंट है, इसलिए डिफरेंट टाइप्स के प्लांट्स भी हमको वहाँ पे दिखने के लिए मिलेंगे. सम प्लांट्स कैन नॉट बी सीन विदाउट माइक्रोस्कोपिक, whereas some are huge in size. Yes, some plants are very minute. We can observe it with the help of microscope. Understand? But some are very huge plant like mango, banyan tree. Like the animals to show diversity, some are unicellular. Animals having the different types. Some is unicellular. Unicellular means the animal is made up of only single cell. Unicellular means the animal is made from the only single cell. You know amoeba and paramecium is the unicellular organism. Multicellular means animals is made up with many cells. For example, human being, I am, you are, we are the multicellular organism. Some are vertebrates, whereas other are invertebrates. Vertebrates means backbone, spinal cord. पाठीचा कणा म्हणतो ना आपण ज्याला. Yes. So vertebra. Spinal cord is present. For example, we are vertebrates. Invertebrates means backbone is absent. This world is full of variety of animal. Aquatic animal, the animal, those are living in water. What is meant by aquatic animal? The animal, those are living in water. Terrestrial animal, the animal, those are live on the land. You already know that. In the 4th standard, 5th standard, 6th standard, you already discuss about that. Terrestrial. Amphibian, the animals that can live in water as well as on the land. Frog, understand? Frog is the amphibian. Reptilians, the animal which crawl on the land. For example, snake. Understand? Aerial. Aerial animal means the birds which can fly in air. The birds which can fly in air. These observations give rise to the question, how did this great diversity come in being? Yes. Now that is the great diversity. बहुत भिन्नता है ना, बहुत विविधता है. Yes. So due to that diversity, we have to know, we should know what is adaptation and what is classification. Can you tell? Are there plants and animal from Kashmir and Rajasthan of the same time? How it is possible? Never. Why? Because in the Kashmir, surrounding atmosphere, climate is cold. Snow falling होता है ना वहाँ पे? Yes. And in the Rajasthan, lack of rain. बारिश है क्या वहाँ पे? No. Due to lack of rain and water, so different varieties are there. Can you elaborate any one differences between two? Yes. Weather is change, atmosphere is change. So plants and animal species will be also change from Kashmir to Rajasthan. Kashmir is cold, Rajasthan is very hot. Understand? Okay. Next is the next paragraph, page number 1. Coniferous trees like pine and deodar flourish in snowy region like Kashmir. What is meant by coniferous? Shrub, small plants, small trees bearing the cone, bearing the cone. In the small plant, cone is present. Small cone is present. For example, pine. Pine and deodar. Pine is the coniferous tree. Pine is the coniferous tree. See here in the middle side, cone is present. Such a type of cone. Cone shaped structure is present. Understand? However, in desert of the Rajasthan, plant like cactus and acacia, babul, are to be found. In the Rajasthan, which plants are found there? Cactus and acacia. You know cactus, what is the speciality of cactus? Anybody can tell? Cactus having thorns, spines. Cactus पे छोटे छोटे कांटे होते हैं ना? Yes. एकेशिया प्लांट को भी क्या होते हैं? बबूल के प्लांट को देखा है कभी आपने टच करके? छोटे छोटे थॉर्न्स होते हैं. दैट इज द स्पेशलिटी ऑफ द राजस्थान. द कैमल अ डेजर्ट एनिमल इज नॉट फाउंड इन कश्मीर. कैमल हमको मिलेगा क्या कश्मीर में? नो. वॉट इज रीजन फॉर द डिफरेंसेस? कैमल कैन सर्वाइव, कैन लिव इन द हॉट रीजन. In the Rajasthan, temperature is high. Temperature is high. Camel needs very less amount of water. Camel को बहुत ज़्यादा पानी की ज़रूरत है क्या? No. It can store water inside the body. Understand? Okay. Now we will come in our point. Adaptation. Adaptation means what? Adaptation means अनुकूलन, परिस्थिति से हमने समायोजन करना, जो हमारी कंडीशंस है उसके साथ हमने मैचिंग करना. Gradual changes occur in the body parts and also in the behavior of organism which help them to adjust to their surrounding. Such changes are called adaptation. हर एक एरिया के अनुसार वहाँ के सराउंडिंग एटमॉस्फेयर एनवायरनमेंट के अनुसार वहाँ पे जीने के लिए जो बॉडी में चेंजेस आते हैं, डिजायरेबल चेंजेस, दे आर नोन एज एडाप्टेशन. दे आर नोन एज एडाप्टेशन. So, camel is different from the habit of the camel is very different. Cactus is different. Camel, cactus is the speciality of the desert area. Understand? Cactus having the thorns, camel having the big capacity to store the water inside. अपने अंदर पानी भर के मीन्स स्टोर करके रखता है camel. Understand? They take place over a long period of time. एडाप्टेशन एकदम एक दिन में होता है क्या? रात को सो गए, सुबह उठ के एडाप्टेशन होता है क्या? नो, इट इज़ अ वेरी वेरी स्लो प्रोसेस. अंडरस्टैंड? एडाप्टेशन कैसे होता है? धीरे धीरे, स्लोली एडाप्टेशन, चेंजेस विल कम स्लोली. नाउ पेज नंबर 1 पे आपको देखो चार्ट दिया है, एक टेबुलर फॉर्म में दिया है. एडाप्टेशन इन प्लांट. ऑब्जर्व द कंप्लीट द चार्ट, इंक्लूड अदर प्लांट फ्रॉम योर ओन रीजन टू. क्या करना है आपको? प्लांट के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन लिखना है एक एक कॉलम में. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देखो विच कॉलम्स आर देयर. प्लांट का हैबिटेट, टाइप्स ऑफ रूट, कौन से टाइप के रूट प्रेजेंट है वो प्लांट में. कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ लीव्स. कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स मीन्स स्पेशलिटी ऑफ दैट लीव्स. लीफ कैसे है, व्हाट इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर्स. कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ स्टेम, हाउ द स्टेम, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स कैसी है स्टेम की, वो भी आपको देखना है. फर्स्ट वन इज द लोटस. यू नो लोटस, कमल. लोटस प्लांट इज देयर. हैबिटेट कौन सा है लोटस का? एक्वेटिक हैबिटेट, बिकॉज लोटस इज फाउंड इन वाटर. ऑलवेज वी कैन फाइंड द लोटस इन वाटर. एक्वेटिक प्लांट. Types of root is the fibrous root. Characteristics of leaves. Large and round with waxy layer. Large leaf. ऐसे इस टाइप में होते हैं ना लोटस के लीफ, बड़े बड़े है ना. लार्ज, हैविंग वैक्सी कोटिंग. वैक्सी मीन्स ऑयली कोटिंग. लोटस लीफ आर वेरी लार्ज इन साइज, हैविंग द वैक्सी कोटिंग, वैक्सी लेयर. कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ स्टेम. hollow and flexible. How the stem of lotus is hollow. hollow means space. inside stem के अंदर क्या है? space. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपने पाइप दिखा है. पाइप में अगर वाटर नहीं है फिलहाल, वाटर का फ्लो बंद है, तो पाइप हमको कैसे दिखता है? हॉलो, अंदर से एकदम फ्री दिखता है, स्पेस है. वैसे ही क्या है? हॉलो एंड फ्लेक्सिबल. द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द स्टेम कैसे है? हॉलो एंड फ्लेक्सिबल मीन्स दे कैन इजीली बेंड. फ्लेक्सिबल बॉडी. सेकेंड वन एग्जाम्पल इज द कैक्टस. यू नो कैक्टस, देखा है आपने, बहुत लोगों ने कैक्टस का प्लांट. यस. कैक्टस हैबिटेट कहाँ पे रहेगा कैक्टस? ड्रॉट कंडीशन. ड्रॉट मीन्स ड्राई कंडीशन वेयर द वाटर अमाउंट इज वेरी वेरी लेस. कैक्टस कैन सर्वाइव इन द ड्राई कंडीशन. टाइप ऑफ रूट. In the cactus, fibrous roots are present. In the cactus, fibrous roots are present. Characteristics of the leaves. Now, cactus के leaves कैसे है? Modified into stem and ready for the photosynthesis process. Characteristics of the stem. How is the stem of the cactus? Spiny. Spines are there. For example, it is the cactus plant. Understand? It is the cactus plant. On the cactus plant, spines and thorns are present. Spines and thorns are present. Spines are here and thorns are also there. Spines and thorns are there. Spiny stem, green stem. It is the spiny and the green in color. It is the spiny and green in color. It looks like a green. So it carries the photosynthesis. So it carries the photosynthesis. Third one example is the banyan tree. वर्ड बोलते हैं ना हम जिसको, है ना, बनियन ट्री. You know that is the banyan tree. Yes or no? That is the banyan tree. Huh? In the banyan tree needs the humidity. Humidity means moisture, more amount of water. Moisture it needs. Then they having the types of fruit. They having the prop roots. They having the prop roots. It having the prop roots. Okay. Then characteristic of the leaves: large green leaf buds covered by the two large scale. The prop roots is the speciality of banyan tree. And then what is characteristics of the leaves? They having the large leaf, green in color, and they also having large scale on it. Understand? Characteristics of the stem: heavy broad stem. That is the heavy and broad stem. Understand? These are the main three plants, and now we are discussing about that: lotus, cactus and banyan tree. But if you will notice that, you will observe that each and every condition is very different from each other. Understand? Lotus needs aquatic habitat, cactus needs drought condition, and banyan tree needs humidity. Understand everyone? Okay. What we have discussed now today in the period, we discuss about the living world. In the living world, so many animals are there, diversity is there. So adaptation and classification is very, very important. Adaptation and classification is very, very important. Okay. Now in that, what is meant by adaptation? Adaptation means a gradual change. Gradual change to live in that particular surrounding is known as adaptation. Desirable changes means खुद के अनुकूलन जिसको हम बोलते हैं कि जो लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म है, प्लांट, आइदर प्लांट और एनिमल, वो पर्टिकुलर कंडीशन, पर्टिकुलर सराउंडिंग में सर्वाइव होने के लिए उसमें जो चेंजेस आते हैं, दैट इज़ द एडाप्टेशन. इट इज़ वेरी स्लो प्रोसेस. एक दिन में एडाप्टेशन होता है क्या? बिल्कुल नहीं. इट इज़ अ स्लो प्रोसेस. Okay, and in that we also discuss three examples: lotus, cactus and banyan tree. And adaptation in aquatic plant, adaptation in forest, adaptation in grassland, adaptation in snowy region. All these points we will discuss in next period. So what is your today's homework? You have to read the page number 1. Understand? All the examples you have to understand properly. And this term I told you today, what is meant by unicellular, what is meant by multicellular, prokaryotic animal, eukaryotic animal, then aquatic, amphibians, all these definition I will ask in next period. So goodbye everyone. Okay, and read the page number 1. Next topic we will discuss in next period. Okay.